Welcome to Theme Park HD. If you're new to our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, experiences, events, sports, and much more. Due to the many requests by you, our Frisco fans here in the area, we quickly put together a drone flyover of the hole in the toll as this project comes back online with the recent ground opening of the Mix here in Frisco. As we fly through the dilapidated property, mind you, on a very windy and eerie overcast day, there are a few intriguing oddities noticed that we will dive further into in the near future. Sit back, take flight with us, wear your seatbelt for turbulent, and let's go Frisco! That's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for joining Theme Park HD today as we brought you this special drone flyover, the hole in the toll. Make sure to like and subscribe to us as we bring you further updates on the Universal Kids Resorts here in Frisco.